Alright, for this small video, I'm wearing my best Ram Rebel attire, because that's what I'm driving this week. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect a smartphone to FCA's UConnect system. You've probably read that we really like the system, because it is in fact one of the most user-friendly you can find. To note, this is the small 8.4-inch UConnect screen. You can get a 12-inch screen in the new 2019 Ram for, I think it's about $1,000 depending on the options. So without further ado, let's do it. Alright, so we select phone on the screen. I went to my settings. I'm going to turn Bluetooth on. Would I like to pair a phone? Yes, I would. Well, let's see if the phone finds UConnect signal. Hopefully, there it is. Boom. Alright, so 338, 338. Yes, pair. Okay, we will not sync favorites. Okay. Yes. And we are connected. Right there, iPhone. How's that for quick? Huh? Nice and easy. And the screen is beautiful too.